Hi friends, today I want to talk a little bit about beginning sounds. The beginning sound of a word is the first sound that you hear. So if I write the word cat on my board, C-A-T, which letter is the first letter in my word? We read from left to right. So the first sound is the letter C. And C sounds like this. K, 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 k. K, k, cat. So C is the beginning sound. If I have the word dog, D-O-G, listen to the word dog. The beginning sound is the first sound that I hear. Dog, dog, dog. What is the first sound that my mouth would make if I'm saying the word dog? D, d, d. And that's the sound for the letter D. So D is the beginning sound. Think about your name. What is the first sound in your name? Today we're going to do a little bit of sorting. We're going to sort some things by their beginning sound. By their beginning sound. I have a pile of things here, and we're going to think about the words for these items, and we're going to sort them based on what sound they start with. Some of the things start with a sound for the letter A. Ah, ah, ah. Some of the things start with a sound for the letter B. B, b, b. And some of the things start with a sound for the letter C. K, k, k. So I'm going to put the things in the right spot based on what they sound like. Maybe you can help me. All right, the first thing I have here is a b, b, bear. A bear. Does bear start like the sound for A, ah, the sound for B, 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 or the sound for C, k, k? Listen again. Bear, bear, bear. I hear the sound for the letter B, 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 b. So I'm going to put my bear by my letter B. All right, let's take a look at something else. Next, I have a fruit. Do you know what this fruit is called? This is an apple. You're right, an apple. Let's think about our sounds again. We have a, b, 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 and k, k, c. Which sound does my apple start with? Apple, apple. Again, think of the first sound that comes out of your mouth. Apple, apple. Sometimes you can stretch it out so that you can hear it a little better. Apple. I hear the sound ah at the beginning. So I'm going to put my apple right here. Let's take a look at something else. What's this, friends? It is corn. Corn. Let's listen to that word again. Corn. Corn. Do you hear the sound ah, b, b, or k, k at the beginning? Corn. Corn. That's right. I hear the sound k, k, corn. The letter C. Way to go. All right, we've got a few more things to sort. Let's take a look. I've got something that you might use to chop wood. An axe. An axe is the name for this tool. Let's listen to that word and stretch it out. Axe. Axe. Do you hear the beginning sound a, b, or k? Axe. I hear ah for the letter A. Awesome. All right, some more to sort. Let's take a look. What is this? Do you like cookies? Me too. Chocolate chip is my favorite. Let's listen to the word cookie. cookie, cookie. Do you hear the sound b, b, or k, k? Cookie. I hear the sound k, k also. K, k. Cookie starts with the letter C, just like k, k. Cat. All right, 4 more items. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a bell. Listen to the word bell. Bell. Do you hear b, b, or k, k? Bell, bell, bell. I hear the sound b, b for the letter B. Awesome job, friends. Couple more things. What is this? Does anybody have a pet cat at home? Let's listen to the word cat. Oh my goodness, we already looked at the word cat. Can you tell me what the beginning sound is for cat? K, k. C, that's right, you got it. So I'm going to put my cat right here. Here I've got an alligator. Alligator, stretch it out. Alligator. What sound do you hear? A, b, or k? Alligator. You can also think of the other things that you see. Apple, axe, alligator. They all sound the same. Last thing, friends, I have a tiny little book. Think of the sounds that you hear at the beginning of the word book, book, book. Do you hear like apple, b, like bear, or k, k, like corn and cookie? Book, book. Me too, friends. I hear bee. So we have sorted all of our items by beginning sound. Way to go, and thanks for your help.